Okay, doing a Leftbound report in Office 2007. Here's the example that's in your book. We're going to use it to demonstrate the proper procedure of making a Leftbound report. You can do some of these steps before you start typing, or in this example, just go ahead and type the whole report in single space and then apply the different aspects to it. One of the first things that you want to do is set the left margin to 1.5, 1.5 inches. This is a left-bound report, which means it's going to be bound on the left. Anytime that you see in this class left-bound, you want to be sure that you put the left margin 1.5 inches. If you don't, that's a big point take off. So left-bound report, like the booklet that you're using there, needs to have a 1.5 inch left margin. So we go to page layout, open page layout window, then you see margins at the top left. Click on margins. I would just go on down to where it says custom margins at the bottom. You can pick one of those there if you like it. This is what it looked like in 2003. Top margin can stay an inch. Left margin needs to go to 1.5. Either type in 1.5 here where I'm circling, or do the up arrow key to 1.5. Right margin needs to go back to 1 inch. That gives you exactly the same length line as you had before. When you get through with that, click on OK. If you notice that the screen jumped over to the right a little bit. After that, you can turn on the page number. That's insert window at the top up there. Look for page numbers in the right middle. Click on page number. You want it at the top of the page. Plain number 3. Okay, notice that the page number comes up on the top right hand corner with the dotted line there. This is something new to 2007. Also a little bit different, and I'm having to learn it myself, is in design you go up to say different page number and click it, and so that the page number, we don't want the page number to show up on the first page. So what you're doing by clicking different page number is actually taking the page number off the first page. It will show up on the other pages, page 2 and so on. Okay, we've done the page number. Now we can double space you have to click a few times, double space the document, so you highlight the entire document from top to bottom. Everything is double spaced. There are different rules for spacing. A lot of people are beginning to single space documents. Some research papers and other things you do single space, in which you have to put a double space between the paragraphs. But in this case, we're double spacing the whole report. We've done that. Notice in the middle of the screen here, you've got an icon here in the middle. It's got the up and down arrow key right above the word paragraph. It's called line spacing. Pull down that window. Click on 2. That's for double spacing. And presto, you've got your report double spaced. Now scroll down here to notice here's page 2. Remember we clicked different first page so that the page number would not show up on the first page. So the main 3 things: set the left margin, turn on your page numbering, be sure the first page doesn't have a page number. The page number goes at the top right hand corner, and then turn on double spacing. And that's all there is to it. Now you could do that actually before you started typing the report. It doesn't really make any difference.